Here we have a trapezium, and we're given some of the lengths, and we're told that its area is 42 centimetres squared. We need to show that 2x squared plus 13x minus 84 equals 0. So remember that the area of a trapezium is a half a plus b times h, where a and b are the parallel sides, and h is the distance between them. So substituting those into the formula, a half of a plus b times h, and we're told that this area is 42. Right, simplifying a little bit then, we've got the x plus x, which is 2x. And then we've got the 8 plus 5, which is 13. Multiplied by the x is 42. Now, looking at that half at the front there, I can half the 2x easily, but I can't really half the 13 easily, not with getting a nice number. I can't half the x nicely. So what I'm actually going to do instead is I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 2. That way we'll get rid of the half and we'll just be left with the 2x plus 13 times by the x is equal to 42 times 2, which is 84. Expanding the bracket then, we've got 2x times x, which is 2x squared. The 13 times the x is 13x, is equal to 84. And then if I subtract the 84 from both sides so that this equals 0, I get 2x squared minus, plus 13x minus 84 is equal to 0, which is what we needed to show. So we've done part A of this question. Part B says to calculate the perimeter of the trapezium. So that's the distance all the way around the outside. So if I solve the quadratic equation I've just found, that's going to tell me the value of x. And then hopefully I can use that to work out the perimeter. So let's solve that equation, where a is 2, b is 13, and the c is minus 84. So substituting those into the quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. And that gives me two solutions. I get either 4 or minus 10.5. Now, the minus 10.5, I can't have that as a length there, so we're going to ignore that negative solution. That doesn't make any sense. Which means x has to be 4. Which means that the height of this trapezium is 4. The base of this trapezium is 4 plus 8, which is 12. And then the top of this trapezium is 4 plus 5, which is 9. So the perimeter then, all the way around the outside, is 9 plus 4 plus 12 plus whatever CD is. So the question then is, well, what's CD? How could I work out this length here? The way we're going to do that is with a little bit of Pythagoras. Because I already know that the height of this little yellow triangle here is 4. And I know the base of this triangle is 3. Now, I know it's 3 because I know all of this is 12, and I know this is 9. So 12, take away the 9, gives me the 3. Just to repeat, I know this is 12, this is 9, so this bit must be 3. So a little bit of Pythagoras here. 3 squared plus 4 squared, all square rooted, is 5. So CD is 5. Therefore, the perimeter, 9 plus 4 is 13, plus the 12 is 25, plus the 5 is 30 centimetres.